afternoon, sir. Hmm. So, sir, pasensya po na kasi hindi ko pa kasi na-download, sir. So, may problema sa sampo, sir. I-explain ko na lang, sir, kung paano, sir. Number one, how you can define a simple route in Laravel and what should be real, real life example. In a Laravel, a simple route and defined inside the route, routes slash web.ph files using the node get method. Its maps URL to a function or controller. Example po, sir, PHP, sa PHP po, route that does double, ano po, get those parentheses, this welcome function, return welcome to my website. So, as number two, ano po, how do you name routes word in Laravel and how might you use them in our real world application. Or ano, sir, name routes allow you to assign a name to a route so you can easily generate URLs or redirects using that name instead of writing for the full path. So, example, route get profiles user controller plus show name profiles, sir. Number two, sir. What is the purpose of route groups in Laravel and how might they use be? Route groups allow you to share route attributes such as middleware, fixed or namespace across multiple routes, making your code cleaner. Some examples are routes, prefix, admin, groups, function, close parentheses, routes get, dashboard, admin controller class, dashboard, get user, admin controller class users. Number four, how does middleware work in Laravel? And you can provide a practical example. Middleware filters HTTP requests before they research your application logic and commonly used for authentication, logging, or security. So, example po, route, get, dashboard controller, class, index, middleware. Yun po, sir. Then, sir, number 5. How can handle form submission and CSRP protection in Laravel. In Laravel, forms are submitted via routes using post method, CSRP, cross-site requests, forgery. Protection is automatically handled by including the CSRF directive and blade templates. Example form po, sir. Form action equal route submit form. Method post. CSRF input type equal text, name equal name, bottom type equal submit button form. Yun po, sir. Thank you po.